The Federal Road Safety Corps is set to commence compulsory registration of motorcycles and tricycles in the country. While interacting with stakeholders in the Motor Vehicle Administration subsector in Abuja, Corps Marshall Boboye Oyeyemi stated that a gesture will ease the process of making projections, policy formulation, and vehicle theft recovery.
All motorcycle riders supposed to have Category A driver's license, and it's the same portal, it's the same process. And if they don't have license before, they must be tested by the VIO. It's very important. And without VIO testing them, they cannot get license.
The concern of the Federal Road Safety Commission is the issue of security and safety on the highway. If you go through the law, even the local governments who collect money for registration of wheelbarrows also need to get a license to roll a wheelbarrow on the road. Even trucks for carrying a load is put on the road. Anything that moves on the road falls under the purview of the Federal Road Safety Commission.
On his part, the Executive Secretary of Joint Tax Board, Oseni Elama, discouraged Nigerians against renewing old number plates, saying it deprives the much-needed internally generated revenue and jeopardizes the collective efforts towards safety and security.
Has issued a deadline of 1st of January 2020 for the cessation of renewal of vehicle papers with old number plates. That deadline is sacrosanct. We just wanted to take our tax-paying public and vehicle owners into consideration by giving a comfortable time frame for which people must now comply. So I'd like to emphasize that deadline.
Meanwhile, the FRSC have reduced the production period of National Driver's License permanent cards from 60 days to a maximum of 14 days, barring all exigencies. David, CNN News.